It's quite an exciting thing that JDS Development Group and Property Markets Group have been at the forefront of what has become now the Ralph Walker Renaissance. The telephone was still a new technology in the 1920s, and Walker became part of a fascinating movement where new switching stations dotted New York City. Each Ralph Walker building has something that cannot be duplicated. Stella Tower, as a sister project to Walker Tower, has the same care and attention to a careful restoration. Something that makes this building so unique is its exquisite ornament on the facade, and particularly in its entryway and in its lobby. There was such careful consideration from the entire team about how to both appropriately respect Ralph Walker's original design while bringing a modern sensibility to residential, beautiful interiors. Every detail was carefully considered, from the oak floors to the small bone kitchens to the hardware. Everything comes together in a tangible way that you can feel the moment that you step through your front door. The industrial character of the building has not been lost. These buildings were brought forth in a time of optimism where architects were exploring the race to the skies and what it could mean to build a city of skyscrapers. Corresponding to the requirements of zoning and bringing light and air down to the street level and having remarkable setbacks that now, as a converted residential project, Stella Tower offers incredible terraces. Restoring the crown is the finishing touch. It really becomes symbolic of the entire project as a whole. This is something that you don't see in new buildings, and you get the best of both worlds here in a pre-war building with modern sensibility and grandeur.